This is a massive warning for every single holder of the Pepe token. Smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, because this could be one of the most important videos you potentially ever watch, not only about Pepe, but the rest of the cryptocurrency market. And if you stay with me all the way to the end of this video, I'll even be sharing with you my Pepe price predictions, and it's not going to be what you think. So let's get into it though. In the last hour, Pepe is down 6%. But if you click on the day, up 91%, new all-time highs. Congratulations. In our video yesterday, that's exactly what I talked about. And on the week, unbelievable, up over 1,000%. When we started talking about this crypto, it was right around $100 or $200 million market cap. If you would have gotten in then, you'd be up over 10 times on your money. So congratulations to every single one of you who have been taking action on this channel. And I want to go back now and share what I shared with you 4 months ago, and also share with you why this is so important. You see, 4 months ago, I made a video said I found the next Shiba Inu, huge potential. And in that video, I went and broke down right here 4 months ago. You can see the chart of Floki Inu. Now, the reason why I shared the chart of Floki Inu at a market cap of $80 million, today it's a lot more than that, is because most of you kept asking me, well, what's the next Shiba? Well, Pepe was the next Shiba. And the truth of the matter is, it was very difficult to find because there were so many other cryptocurrency meme coins. And when Pepe exploded, though, it exploded. Now, the reason why I'm sharing Floki is because there's something psychologically that you must understand right now that I think is going to really help you in winning the game of crypto. You see, you come here to this channel because I've had 6 years doing this. I understand the ups and downs, the volatility. I understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency. But this, when the chart looks flat and no one's talking about it, and there's no hype, there's no momentum, there's no green candles, this was when the opportunity was. And I want to point you to the Pepe chart right now. Here's the chart of Pepe right now in the last week. Absolutely crazy. And again, I'm not here to share an opinion one way or another. I'm here to just show you and educate you on the data that's sitting in front of us right now. These are astronomical gains, especially from the bottom. So from the bottom to the top here, it was over 134x. That's crazy. The people who got in the earliest and made those life-changing gains, what do you think they're going to do right now? Well, a majority of them, especially the people that even got in 5, 10x earlier, they're starting to realize that the runway is running out. And I want to point you to the Wall Street cheat sheet. And I want to ask you, because this is so accurate almost every single time in investing. Where do you think right now Pepe is on the Wall Street cheat sheet? Well, it looks like to me, with this ginormous green candle that has wicked up, and with massive news about Binance listing Floki and Pepe, Crypto.com listing Pepe, with Floki Inu flying off the shelves doing big numbers, and with the chart looking like this, where are we today? If we're not in thrill or euphoria, I don't know where we are. I'm going to be completely honest. If this isn't thrill and euphoria, then we're got to be in belief or optimism. But I believe with Binance now taking this, Crypto.com, all these other major exchanges, in fact, even here on KuCoin, we already had this massive run up and now we're starting to correct. And I believe this is only the beginning of the correction for Pepe. And I'm going to share even more reasons why I believe that. But just take a look at these charts because this is very, very important to understand. Now, Binance has postponed the listing of Floki and Pepe, but right now it should be live. You should be able to get on and it should be live. 1800 UTC was just an hour ago. So by the time you watch this recording, it should be live for you. But the reason why this is so important to understand is because when I made this video about finding the next Shiba, you have to look for cryptocurrency coins that either look like this or they're brand new. And this is what I teach people in my online class and program. You got to find the new coins. You see, Pepe was brand new 2 weeks ago. That's why it's done these mind-blowing numbers. That's why it's gone up. Look, it's brand new. But now, my guesstimate is that yes, this right here is your blow off top euphoria. And now the next step is going to be something like this. I want to say a statistic here because it is so accurate and so true that I believe it's so important for you to understand. There's never been in any cryptocurrency in existence, there's never been a crypto that has not dropped more than 90% ever in history. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, they've all hit these massive blow-off tops. And then from there, they've all dropped down 90% or more every time. So the 90% drop for Pepe is coming. And this is your warning right now. I am making this video on May 5th, 2023 to document saying, I believe this is the top or very near the top of Pepe right now. And the reason why I'm saying this is because of all the different news, all the different exchange listings. And yesterday in our video, I said we could have one more leg up. And the reason why I said right here at 0.0016, I said in this video, watch, I draw the chart, that we could go up and keep going up if we get an exchange listing news. And that's exactly what ended up happening literally like 12 hours after that. Well, now we got the exchange listing. And every single time we get huge exchange listings like this, we typically have a buy the rumor, which was that massive green candle that we saw, sell the news. And at some point, the hype is going to die and wear off of this. It never lasts forever. So this is your warning right here, right now, because look at Shiba Inu. As soon as it listed, it had a crazy green candle on Binance. This is the Binance chart. From there, it dropped down 85%. Today, it is sitting at, from its all-time high, even less than that. So from all-time high to here, it's down 86, 87%. Right there, 88%. So this, to me, as an investor, is an opportunity. So if you missed out on Pepe, for me personally, this is what I want to see. I want to see this. Shiba's dead. It's had its run. Nobody's talking about it. This is what I look for as an investor. Now, you can do whatever you want and understand the risk versus rewards with any of this. But to me, it's the coins like this, where the chart looks like this, but they have huge communities. They have a lot going for them. This is where the money is made, ladies and gentlemen. Nobody's talking about Shiba. Nobody's talking about Dogecoin right now. It's over. It's done. Remember when Elon Musk, remember when he went on SNL? Remember that? I do, because it marked the exact top of the market. When Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live, it was the exact top. Literally 2 years ago today, which is crazy. That was the exact top of the market. And to me, when Pepe went live on Binance and when Pepe went crazy and everyone's talking about it and now everyone's a meme coin expert, I hate to say it, but this is where we're at and near in my belief. So as an investor, what you're looking for isn't the price of something. What you're really looking for is the value. Is it under or overvalued? And what is the value of the asset? So to me, I'm going to start looking for things that I believe are not overvalued. To me, I think Pepe is way overvalued. This could certainly come back down to this, which if we do our measurement tool, is a good 70 or 80% drop. So we could certainly see that, especially in another month or two. Let me know where the market or where Pepe is in 2 months. If it is higher than where we're at right now, then I will happily be wrong. But I believe personally in the next couple of months, we're going to see lower prices for Pepe and the ultimate new all-time high. It might be a while before we ever go back up to these levels. So what are the next coins then, Joe? And what are you looking at? Well, I made an entire video on it right here. I found the next Shiba Inu. And Floki now, that's been listed. Congratulations if you've been paying attention, because in that video, I gave you Floki at an $80 million market cap. Today, Floki is sitting at a lot more than 80 million. It's sitting at 400. That's more than a 5 times on your money, even at the price down here. Now, it was up even higher. So that's what we're looking for now. I'll give you another one. I think Dogecoin is going to go to $1. Now, it might not happen in 2 months. It might not happen in 6 months. It might not happen in a year. But I think down here at 7 cents, dropping all the way down from approximately 70 cents, that's like 80 or 90% off. In fact, it's 89% off. This is what you're looking for, right? To me, and look, I get Dogecoin and, I can't do it. We just saw with meme coins the potential of these crypto coins. Now, if you want to be really, really risky and you want to go find the new meme coins because, hey, there's a lot to actually gain in that. Again, go to the categories and then you want to go to meme coins right here. And this is where you can start searching by all these meme coins. But when these coins are up 100, 1,000%, it's 800%, 50%. When you're starting to see all of this green, ask yourself this question. Where are we? Is it a warning? Is it buy the red, sell the green, right? Or do people get complacent? This is where I believe we're going to be at very soon. We just needed to cool down. Just needed to hang out a little bit. Everything's going to be fine. We're going to go move higher. I believe that's what's going to happen next for Pepe. We just had our euphoric blow off top. We got the listings and everything. We're going to get a little bit of complacency. Then all of a sudden, people are going to panic, denial. This is what you want to be buying. Depression. When you hear people saying on Twitter, Pepe was a scam, meme coins are horrible investments, this is something I should have never got involved with this, I'm getting out, cryptocurrency is the worst. When you start seeing that, that's where things are at. Now, that's just my opinions. That's my thoughts. So now you understand where we are. Let me share with you a couple of other things as well of other coins that I think are undervalued right now so that you can learn from this and understand where we're at. Now, Alex said I downloaded 413,000 Pepe Uniswap transactions. Pepe has burned over 5,300 ETH in the past 3 weeks. Now, why is this so significant? It's significant because when this guy says ETH is eventually going to zero, well, in a good way. Memes are doing the Lord's work. The longer meme season lasts, the better. And if you go to ultrasound money, look at the gas right now, 166 Gwei. That's insane. Look at this nosedive. Now, we have had minus 161, which is an incredible number for Ethereum. So if you go to Ethereum, 161,000 ETH has been burned since the merge. And look at ETH, making a nice move up. Why? There's less ETH on the market, 161,000. That is literally $300 million worth of ETH burned. That is a lot, especially since Ethereum is a $200 billion market cap. It's now deflationary. More demand, less supply, and this is only the beginning. This is just a little mini meme coin season. Imagine in a full-blown bull market. That's exactly what he's saying. And the longer that this lasts, the more Ethereum that will be burned. So then if you understand that, well then Ethereum seems to be like, well, a no-brainer, right? And there's so many other use cases and things for Ethereum in my mind. If I were to have to choose between buying Bitcoin versus Ethereum, I put my money where my mouth is. I don't own any Bitcoin anymore. I have lots more Ethereum. And this is why. Now, if you want even more of a catalyst, let me share with you what Mr. Jack Levin has said. He said that Xen mints have stopped. High gas costs equals high difficulty. And this was at 74. So if you don't know anything about Jack, he's created a cryptocurrency that we talked about multiple times on this channel called Xen. And if we refresh this, you can see Xen is down significantly from its quote-unquote euphoric blow-off top here. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because in my VIP group and my community, I was buying the depression when everyone was saying Xen is at minus 100%. It's horrible. The coin only goes down. I bought right here. I have it documented in my online class, and I ended up selling up here. I made a video. I documented it in my online class. If you're interested in that, click the links down below. Join us in VIP today because this was a 10x right here. I recognized it was overvalued. Now, it's dropped down a lot since then, and we could potentially go lower. What I would like to see happen for Xen is we just trade sideways for a little bit and we get that depression. We get that where people are, oh, it sucks. I don't want this anymore. It's brutal. I'm going to go chase something else. That's what you want to see. You want to see people chasing other stuff. They get away from it. That's where the massive opportunity lies in these cryptocurrency assets. So could Xen be on that next little depression phase before it makes another leg higher? Now, I'm a believer in this project for multiple different reasons. I was one of the first people to actually tell you and educate you on this project. And there are a lot more little mini projects coming out with Xen. There's also X1 coming. There's so much coming with this project. It's really, really exciting. Now, if you want new, we've talked about multiple coins on this channel. But the new coins that are coming, I've been trending, are Pulse Chain. So that's what I want to share with you next here is Pulse and PulseX are coming very soon. So if you type in Pulse Chain, you will not see anything yet. And the reason why is because, well, it's not out yet. But if you come over and you go to my page here on YouTube and you click on the different links, you go to my Instagram, you'll be able to see here, if you go to my link tree, I've created a free masterclass about how I turned $10,000 into $200,000. And the reason why I made that masterclass is because I hit a Pepe. I bought the coin early and I sold it when it peaked. And I know how this goes. And that's why I'm so confident in this. And if you click on the Reels tab here, you'll see all of the different videos that I've been making. And some of these coins that I've been talking about are set to explode. If you want to get in early to something, the best way to do so is with pre-sales and ICOs. And if you go back to my channel here and you click on the videos and you click on latest and you scroll down for a while because we make a lot of videos here on this channel. But I said this 2 months ago, turn $0 into 1 million trading tiny cryptocurrency, new crypto coins. Watch this video. I teach you exactly how I was able to do this. This was months ago, before Pepe came out. Keep scrolling down. Go back years. This will be fun. If you go back years, you will see a year ago, multiple years ago, that I was talking about PulseX and Pulse Chain a year ago. Where you're still getting news years ago, right? And if you keep going back even further, I'll share with you when I actually made videos about the Pulse Chain and PulseX sacrifice. That, to me, is going to turn out to be very, very massive. Now, if you go back and look at a bunch of these videos, you'll see that 99 out of every 100 of these videos, the crypto coins did not make it. And that's the industry. So maybe Pepe will make it in the long run. But if you keep scrolling down, you'll see the next 100x Altcoin airdrop is coming soon. That was a year ago. So here you go. How to sacrifice your cryptocurrency for new Pulse. 7,000 people watch this. The next 100x gem is launching in 24 hours. Right here, over a year ago. It's actually 2 years ago, but this is where YouTube, it doesn't show up because it's right around that time period. But these two videos I gave you right then and there. That to me is where the smart money is looking at. So if you want to join us and learn, click the crypto course and come join us, because this is what I teach you to do. I teach you how to be those really early investors, and you can learn my hidden altcoin gem strategy. That's what you need. You need to know the strategy. You need to learn how this works. If you're just going to go watch a YouTube video and then go try to invest in a new meme coin and turn 20 bucks into 100, I'm sorry, but that day is over now. Unfortunately, I think the top is in, and I think that Pepe, while it might bounce around here for a little bit, overall is going to be trending down. That is my belief. And a lot of these other meme coins are going to fade and go to zero. Meme coin season, I believe, is now coming to an end. It might last a couple more days, but that's where I believe we're at. And the reason why I'm making this video too is because people in my online class have been asking me, Joe, what's my opinion? What do you think of this? This is what I think of this. So if you want even more education, and if you want to learn exactly step by step how to do all of this, this is why I've taught, and this is what I've taught many of my students already in my class. And the price of enrollment will increase. So if you're interested in this, grab the pre-order before the official 2.0 launch. I make videos almost every single day in the programs because there's two different things going on right now. This first course will give you everything that you want, and it gives you the strategy. It's over 50 lessons, and you can grab an amazing discount right now. But if you want to chat with me personally, we have our VIP Discord as an add-on, and the Millionaires Club as an add-on, where I actually teach you even more about this and make these live updated videos. These are worth their weight in gold. The Discord itself is a one-time payment. It's worth its weight in gold to have that community to bounce ideas around and figure out what's going on. So I invite each and every one of you to learn and to join, because mentorship and understanding this is so important. And I want to be open, honest, and transparent and show you how I've able to have the success that I've had. And I've gone through the hardships. I've bought the top. I've sold the bottom. I've done all the mistakes. So if you don't want to make the mistakes and you want to continue learning and be the best investor that you can be, join us. I can't wait to see you in the next video.